friends, Running Kimono here. So, in the last couple days, it's been anywhere between 95 degrees to extra hot. And with that hot temperatures, let's get a treat to cool down over at Walgreens. 99 cents for a box of these Kit Kat cones. Let's go. I recommend that you buy this in store. You need a receipt, as there's two different rebate apps that we're going to be stacking, Checkout 51 and IBOTTA, and just make this happen. I will let you know too, because this is considered a dairy product, if you wanted to use this with a booster, it's going to be the amount, whatever your basket is, subtracted from this. So for whatever reason, eggs, ice cream, milk does not count for boosters over at Walgreens. It's something in the fine print. But just remember that on the back burner in case you're like, oh my gosh. So lots of stores have many of this. I just don't know if it's a popular treat this summer or people would prefer Oreos. I mean, if I was eating this sort of stuff, I probably would go for the Oreos too. But in a pinch, a Kit Kat really, sometimes it's just the greatest snack. So these are on a promotion of a buy one, get one free. And this store is not even tagged. So chef's kisses to that. If you head over to your IBOTTA account, there's 75 cents back on each box with a limit of up to 5. And it's the Kit Kat frozen treats. They don't even call it ice cream. You know why. So make sure that you have that one loaded. And I'm going to let you guys know I loaded it and it said that it was only valid at like CVS and Walmart and a couple other stores. But then when I went to my Walgreens page and then see where it says submit receipt and that little thing where the arrow is, that little cache with the coupons, when I pressed it, guess what? It appeared at my Walgreens. So you might have to do that as a little hack, and hopefully you have it on your IBOTTA to load this up. But even if you only do it with Checkout 51, it's still a terrific deal to get these very cheap. So over on Checkout 51, which is another app I don't really ever talk about, but sometimes they have very good deals. So this is the parent company of Kit Kat. It's called Dreyer's Ice Cream Selected Family Snacks. They're offering $1.25 back on each box with the Checkout 51 app, and the Kit Kat cones are in fact part of it if you look at the fine print. And here it is, friends, exactly where the arrow is. And you know what I really recommend? You double, triple check you have the same IBOTTA and Checkout 51 rebates as I. So this is what you're going to do. In store, you're grabbing 4 of those boxes on a buy one, get one free. That's $11.98. You're going to get that receipt, and then you're going to submit it $3 back from IBOTTA, $5 back from Checkout 51. That's $8 back. It makes it $3.98 for the 4 or 99 cents per box. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards for this deal. This is a no booster deal, as this is an ice cream product and it won't track for the booster. It's something in their fine print, like no dairy, and I think they cite this as dairy because I know in the past a couple of you have tried to slide this in like a $30 or $40 basket, and you're like, it didn't work. And I'm like, oh gosh, yeah, that's right. And even though the word ice cream isn't on the package, it's still cited as one of those. So just be really careful. If you have an extra $10 in Walgreens cash, use it, or register reward, throw the 2 in with some Walgreens cash and make it so. And 99 cents for this, with the Labor Day weekend right around the corner, this will be a really cool treat. And again, I really recommend you double, triple check you have the same IBOTTA and Checkout 51 rebates as I. If you don't use Checkout 51, check out Swag Bucks as well. I think they have a similar rebate for this one. And one more thing I'd love to address before taking off is yesterday, the promotions code area in the Walgreens app vanished. However, if you had WAG 10 or one of like the Save 20, like one of those coupon codes, it was adding, but it wasn't showing that you could add stuff in there. As of this morning around 7 a.m., I went in again and I threw in a $60 perfume. And guess what? The codes are still attaching. So hopefully, it's attaching for you, or you could type something in. I mean, worst case scenario, just buy your stuff. And then if it's a $50 transaction and you're supposed to save 20%, go back to customer service and they should credit you the percentage back. They said they were working on it, but they did change around the coupons. So maybe something got lost in the mix or something like that, but they are aware of it and it is some sort of error in their system. And they actually have percentage off codes for next week and next week's flyer. So these are not going away, guys. For all of you pharmacy shoppers, guess what? The Dollar General clearance event is beginning on Friday the 30th, going Saturday the 31st, Sunday the 1st, and Monday the 2nd. It's this weekend. If you are an avid pharmacy shopper, I think it's time to learn a different store, especially what's happened at Rite Aid in Ohio and Michigan. We actually lost an entire store. That maybe it's time to learn this store, and there's a lot of freebies and cheapies. If you're super observant, I made a tutorial video going through everything, including pennies, that you might find in the clearance event. I recommend that you watch this video. It is fantastic. I will link it here at the very end. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.